Hello, and welcome to Thimble and Plume Dockenbaret Sewalong, Part 6, Finishing Touches. All right, your Dockenbaret is complete, but it's pretty plain at this point. So now we're going to start working on finishing touches, styling, and decorating. So start looking for inspiration of how you want to decorate your Dockenbaret. Look at some portraits from the period, woodcuts, whatever you can find. We've started a Pinterest board. You can check that out. It's in the description box. Here we have some options for you here. You can see like there's cord going through, you can hang baubles from it. We've got, looks like that's probably some sort of fabric going through and then secured into diamond shapes, slashes with some feathers. So there's a lot of options. Just start looking into the period art for inspiration of what you'd like to do. So I'm going to start with something simple here. I'm just going to do a single slash on the brims, on each brim, front and back. I am going to make it a shallow slash to start with. This is probably one of the simplest things you can do. Just fold it in half, find that center point, and give it a snip. Try not to go past a little, try not to go any farther past, a little less than half is what I've done here. That still keeps its integrity. And that's what that looks like. And you can add a little decorative stitch in there too. You can hang a ring onto it. I've seen that. There's a lot of options. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to show you what it looks like if we take that and we do the same thing with the brim again, so that we now have 3 slashes in each brim. And again, I'm just finding the center point and I'm making a slash a little less than halfway down the width of the brim. And I'm going to do that, repeat that same thing in the back. And you'll see in a moment here what it looks like. So there's that, and you can leave it just as is. You can add a cord to tie it onto your head with. You can add feathers into it. There's so many options. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to slash it further. I'm going to take those same slashes. I'm just going to deepen them so you can see what that looks like. I'm going a little more than half at this time. I'm going to go and do that through each one of those slashes again. Now this does make the hat a lot floppier. But what I decided I was going to do after I had that was I'm going to add in some stitches, some decorative stitches that help keep the slashes together. And I'm going to add some stitches in the overlaps to keep those together. So that's what it looks like without the stitches, and that's what it looks like with the stitches. So again, there's so many things you could do. On top of this, I could add any sort of jewels or baubles if I wanted. This is what the back looks like. It's a really fun look. I hope that you enjoyed this sew along. Thank you for sewing along with us. If you like this video and would like to see more of it, make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, and sign up for notifications. Please visit us at our Etsy shop, and you can also visit us at Instagram.